You make an enum and then use it as a type. It looks so cool it makes you wonder if you could represent your dynamic arrays like that. Well, you can. This is how to do it. Getting rid of the enum, make a new string variable called list. Append it to the properties list in the getPropertyList function and use property hint enum for the hint. We've now got an enum in the inspector, but it has no options. The options go into the hint string separated by commas. Let's make sure it's working by adding a setter and getter to the list variable, printing the value of the list variable every time it changes. It is working, and now all we need to do is to convert our array into the comma separated format. This fancy function does the job. Let's utilize it for the hint string. Again, the same old freaking inspector not getting updates is here. If you have been watching this series, you already know what to do. Just call notifyPropertyListChange when the array is updated. Well, surprisingly, this doesn't completely fix the issue. For some unknown reason, unknown to me of course, the inspector doesn't update when you change the values of the array element. It only refreshes when you add or remove them. Calling notifyPropertyListChange called deferred does fix the problem, but as it refreshes the inspector every time you type a single letter in the array element, it deselects the array element and makes it impossible to add new entries. So it doesn't help in this case. I couldn't find out how to fix this issue. If you guys have a solution, please share it in the comment section. In a future video, I'll show you how to achieve the same result using a custom editor property. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything I share. Thank you.